Hello everyone, welcome to another video on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. Today I will show you how to change your region on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Now, basically what you want to do, as you can see right here, is first what you want to do is you want to subscribe to a VPN service. Now, this is a must if you want to go and if you want to change your region on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, right? Because you actually want to have a VPN, right? So that's the first thing. Second thing is to set up a VPN on your computer. For example, this is a NordVPN. You can open application and sign in. So just make sure you sign in the NordVPN. From there, or any other VPN. So from there, you need to connect to a server in another country, and yeah, it can be like Argentina, Turkey, for example, where you will also find very affordable games right there. Then what you want to do is you want to make a new PSN account. Now for this example, unfortunately, you will need to go and you will need to change your PSN region. Now all of these, you're doing all of this on your PC, so make sure to do this on your PC while your VPN is turned on. Now from there, you need to go and select the PSN country where you basically set up your country from the VPN. From there, what you want to do is you want to go here and put in a US based address. For example, if you if you opt in for a US address on your VPN, you will need to search for that particular address, or you will need to add that particular address. Now keep in mind, yes, you can use fake address generators online. However, I would not recommend that. But yeah, you can do that. Then finally, you can proceed to the next step and you can turn on your PlayStation 5 or 4, sign in, and then just sign in with your new user, which is your new PlayStation PSN or new PSN account. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your region on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's very easy and simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.